Hi everyone, this is Emmy. I've been asked quite a few times to design a crocheted mask, but I really don't feel that they would be protective because there are holes in them. So today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy disposable mask with paper towels. So let's get started. To make this mask, I'm going to start with 2 layers of paper towel, and I'm going to fold it accordion style. So back and forth, back and forth. Like that. And then I'm going to staple it on each end. Okay, so now you can either fold this over and staple it again, or fold the elastic band and then wrap it around and pull one of the loops through the other one, and then pull it so that it's nice and tight like that. And I'm going to do that on the other side as well. And then you can open it up and put these around your ears. Now I have to caution you, these are disposable. Never ever wear a mask twice, because the second time you may already have germs on the mask and then you'll transfer them to yourself. I know masks are scarce, so this might help if people have to go out. So I hope this video is helpful to someone. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.